This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your Mac is backed up and online. Time Machine or iCloud will save settings and files. Once connected, open System Settings and click your Apple ID pane to see linked services. Make sure you sign out of iCloud, Messages, and FaceTime now so the device releases data sync. This prevents conflicts when adding a new account. If prompted, choose to keep a copy of Contacts or Calendar locally. This preserves data you may need after you switch. Once signed out, click Sign in System Settings and enter the new Apple ID and password. You'll be asked to authenticate with two-factor verification. Accept the push or enter the code from a trusted device. After signing in, Mac OS prompts which iCloud services to enable. Choose Contacts, Calendars, Photos, etc. And decide whether to merge or replace local data. Merge keeps local copies synced. Make sure Find My Mac is enabled if you want device tracking and protection under the new account. To finish, open App Store, Music, and other apps and confirm they show the new Apple ID. Sign into Messages and FaceTime if they didn't reconnect automatically. Check subscriptions and payment methods in Settings to avoid billing issues. If apps still show the old account, restart your Mac and re-authenticate. If verification fails, check your network or sign out and back in. As a last resort, reset network settings and retry two-factor authentication to resolve lingering sync or sign-in errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.